Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Della and today we will be frying some fish and making some grits. I already done seasoned the fish, a little bit of pepper, a little kosher salt, a little sazon with no MSG, a little garlic powder, and some other ingredients. And when I cook my fish, I just put the cornmeal, the flour, and season that as well. And make your own fish batter. And we have whitings today. Goes perfect with grits. So you just cook each side until it browns. You turn and flip it and drain it. And I'm cooking in corn oil because corn oil is good. It helps lower your cholesterol. Okay, now it's time to flip it over. So you want to go underneath. Help it. Turn it around. Underneath. Turn it. And turn it. Now we're about to get ready to make our grits. Okay, we're going to do our grits in a little bit, but this bat's ready to come out. So we take it out. Okay, now we're ready to do our grits. The water been boiling for some time now. It already have a little kosher salt in it. So what we do is we use these type of grits. We use the organic grits because most of the grits that we've all been grown up on, they all have the GMO. So we don't want no GMO. The grits that we love and we've grown up on it have the GMOs. So I went to the organic ones. I had to switch over. So you want to make sure you put enough in there. You will fill it to the consistency that you want. And you stir it. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more. These grits are so creamy, delicious, no GMO, they're organic. You can purchase them at your local grocery store in the organic aisle, or you could go online. At this time, we want to start adding our milk. We need to start adding our milk. So, I use canned milk. You can use whatever milk of your choice. But I like to use the canned milk. Sometimes I use almond milk. So you can use exactly what type of milk you like. And I also want to add a little bit of pepper in it. Black pepper, cafe style. Put a little bit of that. Okay, we want to get our butter. And this is the only butter that I use. It's grass fed. Kerrygold. So you want to add some butter. Let it cook up in there along with the milk. And at this time you want to cover and let it just simmer. Now our grits been simmering for about 2 or 3 minutes. So now we're about to add some cheese. Can't have grits without the cheese. So we have a little bit of fine shredded Monterey Jack, a little cheddar. That should be enough. So we're going to stir it up nicely. Let it get creamy. Let it melt. side down low. Now that's the go. Grits are ready to be eaten with the fish. So let's plate it. And the fish is nicely fried, ready to plate. Okay, everybody. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Everything is done and it's a go. And try the organic grits. They are great and creamy and nice and delicious. As you can see, it's just so delicious. And remember, health is wealth, and we have to take care of ourselves, so we might as well start right now. So this is how we do it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.